So we moved to Skopje 3 years ago with my family, and we are very happy to be here. I'm originally from Szeged, which is the flattest part of Hungary, so for me it's very special and very nice to be surrounded with mountains, and we try to use this as much as possible, to go to Vodno or Skopje Gora or Popova Sapka as often as possible. And otherwise also I think it's a very interesting city with very different layers of history, with culture, so we very much like it here, and we hope to stay at least for 1 or 2 more years before we move on to the next destination. Of course, when you are living with family somewhere, it also becomes maybe more part of your life, and your children are growing up actually here and they are starting to realize the world, and for them now this is home. I mean, for them this is not something that, okay, we spend some time in Hungary, but of course 99% of the year we are here, so for them this is really a home, and I think we very much look forward to having the country move forward. NATO soon, EU maybe takes a little bit longer, but hopefully it will be also a positive decision soon, and then to move forward together. And I'm also looking forward that I think once the country comes even closer to the European Union, I'm sure that there will be also much more funds for infrastructure development and such things. We're also very happy that there are direct flights between Budapest and Skopje since 2 years now, and we can see that in the number of tourists, so we have quite a big number of tourists going from North Macedonia to Hungary, but also coming to North Macedonia from Hungary, and usually the people who come here, they usually spend 1-2 days in Skopje, and then they go to Ohrid, so that's more like the standard program. So I think that's also something good, that if we go to Vodno, for example, we can also always hear Hungarian tourists, so you have to be careful.